Hi guys, welcome back to my page. Please like, share, and subscribe for more Q videos and 164 tune scale cars and other car toy brand. Anyway guys, I have this in my collection. It's a brand new Isuzu truck guys, or light duty truck N series. I also collect what they call this Isuzu truck or Isuzu trucks, and I will open this. It's a brand new guys. Excuse. Anyway guys, this is a Isuzu truck, half plastic guys, half metal, half die cast. This is a licensed toy from Isuzu Japan guys. Here in the Philippines, they call this a Isuzu Elf, the smallest one in the truck line of Isuzu. As you can see guys, it's detailed with wiper and side mirrors. And the inside guys, it's a right hand drive, of course. It's Japan. But this one guys is made in China. 143 scale Isuzu Elf, Isuzu Motors Ltd, made in Japan. So it means it's a license to produce, licensed by Isuzu Japan guys, with rubber tires. And the engine guys, it's not much visible. There you have it. So this one guys, the doors are or cannot be opened guys. So this is a variant for a delivery truck guys. Detailed license plate, signal light, stop light guys, and at the rear it's also detailed guys. I think this can be open guys. Yes. Ooh, see guys, the door at the rear can be opened. But this one guys, they're fixed. But this one guys is thick metal. The canopy or the cabin guys, it's a metal, so it's kind of heavy. And the rest is plastic guys, but in detailed with side guards, as you can see guys. Chrome wheels, spare tire, plastic guys. Overall guys, this is a 1:1 copy of the original truck guys. So it's a 143 scale car or truck, licensed by Isuzu Ltd Japan. This one is Isuzu N series 143 scale toy truck. No pullback. Very good for display guys. That's it, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you very much.